Ngabana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ni anyururetie mibango iria irarirwo ya kumuhagura akiuga gutire na gitumi kiiganu gya gweka uguo indi ni njama irathugundwo ni thu ciake cia uteti kiuthira bunge ya kaunti ni itana ria kuoya giturwa giake githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2027. Kawira arauga mwaka umwe uria athanite Meru gutire ona ndururu yurite kana ikahuthirwo uru toria ndeto iratambio na ati Meru ni imwe ya kaunti iria cigite rekodi ya wira murute wega.
Gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe na ceceni ya radio ya Muga FM nĩkuo Ngabana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza aitĩrĩirie maĩ mibango ĩrĩa yarĩirwo ya kumuhagura akiuga nĩ njama ithugundĩtwo nĩ thu ciake cia uteti.
Hizo issues zimeletwa na siasa, tamaa za siasa. 2027 politics zimeanza Meru, so many people wamejitokeza ambao wanataka kutafuta uongozi wa ugavana, na hata kama wajajitokeza tunajua ya kwamba siasa zinaendelea.
Augete thutha wa igeria rĩa kumuhagura muthia-inĩ wa mwaka muthiru ni macokanirie ndundu na atongoria a Meru na makigĩa na ũiguano, na rĩrĩa kũrageire na thigithigi rĩngĩ ageria kwaranĩria na MCA nĩguo aramenyire nĩ gũtindĩkwo maratindĩkwo nĩ ciama.
Hata kama watu wanatafuta impeachment, you can't get an answer minus a formula. Huwezi kuweka impeachment ambayo hauna grounds. Tungependa pia kama wa Meru tujue what are the grounds ambazo zina lead to impeachment, kwa sababu sisi kama county hatujapoteza hata shilingi moja ya mwananchi. Sisi kama county ya Meru tumekuwa na kazi ambazo zinaonekana, and the few noises that watu wanaweza kusikia nje si mwananchi wa kawaida.
Kuringana nake ni undu uri na kieha kuona atongoria amwe guku Meru makiiga ukoroku wao wa giturwa kia gavana githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2027 mbere ya utungata wa muingi wa Meru.
We are among the counties ambazo hazijafanya diversion ya pesa ama kupeleka pesa mahali ambazo hazipaswi kulingana na ripoti ambayo imetolewa na sekta za kiserikali.
Sorry, I hope you bear with me.
Uhoro uyu ukitereri munini wake Isaac Mutuma ari mbere ya kamiti ya watho bunge-ini ya Meru augite dalili cia mathina gatagati gake na gavana ciambĩrĩirie ona matoete muma wa wabici.
I remember vividly that on the date of taking the oath of office, that is on 25th of August 2022, when I sent the list of my guests, instructions came from the sister to the governor, one Miriam Guantai, that ignore this list, and I can confidently say that is when I knew that all is not well.
Ashukeire Ngabana Mwangaza kuhotomia utungata wa wabici yake ta munini wa gavana akiuga ni atunyirwo ngari imwe hari igire iria ciari cia wira na iguru riao ni aimetwo besha.
Then I talked to the CC Finance, Madam Kadhono. She decided out of her own will, I don't know, with the knowledge or without the knowledge of Her Excellency, she decided to raise the facilitation to 200,000 per month. This continued up to the month of April, and Madam Chair and the honorable members of this honorable house, that facilitation stopped when the information leaked to Her Excellency that I'm being facilitated.
Kuringana nake ni ageretie gutumana kiama kugerera maafitha a thirikari, atongoria a dini, athuri a ndundu ya njuri ncheke, no ndoi kana ndumiriri ciake ni ikinyaga kuona gutiri ucokagia uhoro, na nikio arakinyire handu aratwa itua ria kwaria niguo andu a Meru mamenye uria maundu mahana.
I've trying to cover my government's nakedness until we reached 1 year. I think I started talking about the challenges that I'm facing as the Deputy Governor of Meru on 25th of August 2023, 1 year down the line, having confirmed that things are moving from bad to worse.
Gatagati ka maundu maya manatogota kaunti-ini ya Meru, Ngabana Kawira Mwangaza augite we ndarate kĩoneki gĩake kĩrĩa nĩ gũtungata mũingĩ ũrĩa wa mũthurire. Ngiribotera Inooro TV retwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.